Chiliz cost all things considered, equivalent to $0.1293 a coin, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, 0.1264 0.1457, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 0.1296, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The change generally was 0.0003, 0.23%, which especially is very huge. Backwards rate, USD to CHC, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.13, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.14, lovely least 0.12 amazingly. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.13, greatest 0.14, for the most part least 0.12 in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.13, greatest 0.14, least 0.12, or so they especially thought. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.13, beautiful greatest 0.14, for the most part least 0.12 in a very huge manner. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.13, truly most extreme 0.14, certainly least 0.12, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost $0.13, especially greatest 0.14, exceptionally least 0.12 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.13, truly most extreme 0.14, exceptionally least 0.12, which certainly is genuinely critical. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.13, sort of most extreme 0.14, certainly least 0.12 in a fundamentally enormous way. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.13, truly most extreme 0.14, kind of least 0.12, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Chiliz estimate on Friday, May 19, cost $0.14, lovely greatest 0.15, genuinely least 0.13, which basically is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.14, lovely most extreme 0.15, sort of least 0.13, or so they explicitly thought. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.14, genuinely most extreme 0.15, beautiful least 0.13, showing how Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.14, greatest 0.15, really least 0.13, or so they truly thought. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.14, greatest 0.15, lovely least 0.13, or so they for the most part thought. Chiliz figure on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.13, lovely greatest 0.14, in every practical sense, least 0.12 amazingly. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost $0.13, by and large most extreme 0.14, kind of least 0.12, or so they for the most part thought. Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 29, cost $0.12, greatest 0.13, fundamentally least 0.11, which by and large is very critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.12, sort of greatest 0.13, for the most part least 0.11 in an exceptionally significant manner. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.12, fundamentally most extreme 0.13, in every practical sense, least 0.11. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.12, kind of greatest 0.13, truly least 0.11, which explicitly is very huge. In about a month Chiliz estimate on Friday, June 2, cost $0.12, certainly greatest 0.13, really least 0.11, which generally is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost $0.12, really greatest 0.13, certainly least 0.11 in a very huge way. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.12, lovely most extreme 0.13, in every practical sense, least 0.11, or so they especially thought. USD to CHC conversion scale genuinely equivalent to 7.7322 coins per $1, which sort of is very huge. Today, S reach 6.8647 minus 7.9114 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby, 7.7143 in a very large way. Change for now plus 0.0179, plus 0.23%. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. USD to CHZ cost gauge in the not-so-distant future and month, fundamentally further appearance how Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, June 5. Cost $0.12, extremely greatest 0.13, sort of least 0.11, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 8, cost 7.692 coins. Certainly greatest 8.333, essentially least 7.143 in an unobtrusive way. USD to CHZ expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 7.692 coins. Kind of greatest 8.333. Genuinely least 7.143. Especially further appearance how in 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $0.13. Lovely most extreme 0.14. In every way that really matters, least 0.12, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost 7.692 coins. By and large most extreme 8.333, certainly least 7.143, which is very huge. USD to CHZ forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost 7.692 coins. Really most extreme 8.333, certainly least 7.143 in an exceptionally large way. In multi-week dollar to Chiliz estimate on Friday, May 12, cost 7.692 coins. Essentially greatest 8.333, genuinely least 7.143. Showing how in about 14 days Chiliz gauge on Friday, May 19, cost $0.14. Truly most extreme 0.15, truly least 0.13, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to CHZ expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 7.692 coins. Essentially most extreme 8.333, fundamentally least 7.143, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 7.692 coins. Genuinely most extreme 8.333, especially least 7.143, or so they especially thought. USD to CHZ forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost 7.692 coins. Really greatest 8.333, certainly least 7.143, which essentially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost 7.692 coins. In every practical sense, greatest 8.333, especially least 7.143, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. In about 14 days USD to CHZ expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 7.143 coins. For the most part greatest 7.692, certainly least 6.667. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Monday, May 22, cost 7.143 coins. In every practical sense, most extreme 7.